So about 2 days ago, I made a post on Facebook and I used the same language patterns of a post that would be written by AI, or you would see and you say, hey, this is written by AI. So this was an experiment. It was an experiment on biases, heuristics, and mental shortcuts. See, what I wrote, and I'll place it up here for you. So stop here and read it. Okay, awesome. After you've read that, you didn't know that I wrote it by hand while wearing no pants. Like, this is the joke, right? I made it kind of a joke, but also an experiment. You immediately saw patterns and just assumed that was written by AI. And there was a couple of mental shortcuts that were activated. So let's begin with my favorite one. The availability heuristic. What's availability heuristic? It's our tendency to use information that comes to our mind quickly and easily when making a decision. This shortcut causes us to place more weight on the information we can easily recall. So the dash being used on the actual post itself, that it's not this, it's just this, right? These language patterns that people recognize about AI are used in our brain to go, that's an AI written post, right? So that we could categorize it and put it into a specific bucket. Is it useful to me or not useful to me? Is it truthful? Is it not truthful? Is this a unique thought, an original thought, or is it something that was written by something that I can't trust? But the availability bias can also influence and perpetuate a stereotype. So when I think about it, I go, oh, okay, so this is the pattern. I use a dash, or I use anything like no fluff, no sag, just real results. That language pattern is what makes everybody have that mental shortcut. And then you start to think about it. Oh yeah, they used AI to write this. What I find really interesting about this belief is that this is so strong that this belief has been repeated so many times that it's become something that they believe to their core, that even if there's evidence to refute that, it would actually reinforce that belief. And you guys should see my Facebook post. It's hilarious because everybody's kind of arguing their point. And it gets you to actually argue your position because you would have to admit that this specific bias has an effect on you, right? And again, it's just looking at overall. I'm not saying that posts that are written by AI are neither good nor bad. It's just whatever. It's just written by AI. It doesn't matter. I don't think that it's right for you to outsource your brain to AI. You should do the work yourself.